Welcome to the Creating Arithmetic Questions in the Question Library demo. First, log in to your Desire to Learn account and go into your course. On the course navigation bar, click on the Assessments link. Notice the tabs at the top: Manage Assessments, Question Library, and Statistics. Click on the Question Library tab. Click on the section name to go into its folder. From the New drop-down button, click on the question type you want to create. To create arithmetic questions, pick that option from the New drop-down button. You can leave the title of the question blank. Doing so will make the question text show up as the title. You can leave the points value set to 1. This number can be changed later when you create your assessment. Click in the question text field and enter in your question. Example: if you have open brace x close brace apples and open brace y close brace oranges, how many pieces of fruit do you have? Notice that the variables are enclosed with braces. This tells the computer that x and y are variables that will be defined for this question. If you want to add an image to go along with this question, click the Insert an Image button and locate the image on your computer, and then click the Add button. In the Formula field, enter your formula. Be sure to put your variables inside braces. Example: open brace x close brace plus open brace y close brace. The Answer Precision box tells the computer how many places after the decimal to use when determining if the answer is correct or not. This example sets the answer precision to 1 place after the decimal. This means that an answer of 10 must be written as 10.0. Set the tolerance depending on how much error you will allow in the question. If you set the tolerance as units plus or minus 0.3, then an answer of 10 will be accepted if it falls between 9.7 and 10.3. You could also set the tolerance as a percent of the answer. Enter your units. In this example, our units are fruit. Enter the percent of this question's value that the units will get. We'll select 10%. Now we get to the variables. We use the variables in the question inside braces. Here, do not enter the braces. Put a variable in each name box. Next, set the range for the variable x. Example: min 1, max 5. Decimal places step 1. This means that when the computer chooses an x value, it must choose the value according to these rules. The lowest x it can choose is 1. The highest is 5. It can choose a number using a step of 1. This means it can only choose 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Next, set the range for the variable y. Example, min 3, max 7, decimal places 1, step 0.5. This means that when the computer chooses a y value, it must choose a value according to these rules. The lowest y it can choose is 3, and the highest is 7. It can choose a number using a step of 0.5. This means it can only choose 3, 3.5, 4, 4.5, 5, 5.5, 6, 6.5, and 7. Click on the Preview button to see what the question will look like to the student. Notice the variables and the sample values chosen. Notice the formula, the solution with units, and the range. Make sure that the formula is acting the way you expect it to. Click the Done button to go back to the question. When you are finished making changes, click on the Save button in the bottom left-hand corner and you will return to the section list. If you want to create another question very similar to this one, click on the Save and Copy button. That will save this question and create another one with all of this question's information, so that you can edit this information instead of retyping it. If you want to create another question of this same type, click on the Save and New button. That will save this question and give you a new blank question of this question type. You have now successfully created an arithmetic question in the question library. To return to the question library, click on the question library breadcrumb trail, or click on the Done Editing Questions button to return to the Assessments tool.